Hey guys!
Yeah.
Today we are going, as you can see, we don't have that wood paper which is over here. Because we are doing a craft and it's a little messy. We are doing air dry clay craft. This is going to be so fun. Just to tell you, we are both mascots. This is the new mascot. I'm the new mascot. This is my mascot helper.
Yep. I am kind of the new mascot, but the new mascot helper.
So, as you can see, it's air drying clay. We have different colors in there. So, let's open. I can't wait. So, here we go. We have these tools, I think, to use.
I didn't know they were like big pieces like these. Maybe it was just that we
on the back of this, it says the pen works for like a marker, so let's check. So we checked that the pen does work like a marker. Our mom might help in this, but yeah, so let's get this started. Are you coming, my mascot helper? So which color do you want to pick? I'm going to try to make donuts. I'm going to make a chocolate donut, so I'm going to get this color and chocolate.
It's they're all this is 25 grams.
Yeah.
They're all 25 grams.
I'm going to use this to do our chocolate.
There's milks. There is ice cream that we can make here.
I'm going to use this to make my chocolate donut. Actually, no, I'll use this because this looks like chocolate milk.
I'm going to make something different.
So let's start. I'm going to open this. So I'm going to smush the clay. Let's do this. First, let's smush the brown clay. Here it's smushed. Now let's do, friend. Let's smush this up. So we kind of smushed it. I'm going to use this to make a donut. Now we did a donut shape. And now it's going to put the chocolate. Now let's poke the hole. Poke the hole. Time to put the sprinkles.